আজকে এই ইন্টিগ্রালটা প্রচন্ড ইন্টারেস্টিং একটা প্রবলেম আছে, তোমরা দেখো। তোমরা তো ভাবছো স্টুডেন্টরা যারা যে অঙ্কটা পাওয়ারে 4 আছে যে কি করে করবে। এখন এই দুটো পার্টকে এমনভাবে কিছু ধরবে যাতে খুব সহজে সিম্পলিফাই করা যায়। যেমন ধরো আমি x-4 আছে আর x-5 আছে, 4 আর 5 এর অ্যাভারেজ হয় 5, 4 আর 6 এর অ্যাভারেজ হয় 5। সো সেই লজিক থেকে আমি এইভাবে লেট করছি, কি সুবিধা হবে একটু পরে বুঝবে। x plus 5 is equal to y. Okay, now dx is equal to dy, and this is equal to dx whole divided by 14 plus x plus 4. X plus 4 means that is x is equal to y plus 5, y plus 5 sorry, this is y minus 5. X is equal to y minus 5 plus 4 whole to the power 4. And now here is x is equal to y minus 5 plus 6 whole to the power 4. And this is equal to integral dx by 14 plus y minus 1 whole to the power 4 and also y plus 1 whole to the power 4. So এটাকে যদি এবার বাইনোমিয়ালি এক্সপ্যান্ড করে দিই তাহলে ছোট্ট করে সিম্পলিফাই হয়ে কেটে যাবে। Oh, this is y, okay, and this is also y. 14, that is y to the power 4 minus 4c1 into y to the power 3 plus 4c2 y to the power 2 minus 4c1 y to the power 1 plus 4c0 into y to the power 0 plus y to the power 4 plus 4c1 y to the power 3 4c2 y to the power 2 plus 4c1 y to the power 1 plus 4c0 y to the power 0. So এবার দেখো প্লাস মাইনাস করে সিম্পলিফাই হয়ে কেটে কত সরল হয়ে যাবে। দিস ইজ এইভাবে এইটা কেটে যাবে। ওকে, and then 14 plus this is 2 times of y to the power 4 and this also 4c2 factorial 4 factorial 2 factorial 2 and that is 4c3 4 into 3 2 into 1 and that will be 6. So this is double, it means 12 y to the power 2 4c0 this is 1 and y to the power 0 this is also 1 1 1 2. And now look here, dy by taking count 2 from the denominator part, this is y to the power 4 and this is 6 y square, and this is 16, taking common 2 and 8. Y square taking common 2, 16, 12y square taking common 2, 6y, and this is 16 taking common 8. Okay, well done. The factor is good now. Y cube are 4, 8, 4 2s are 8, and 4y square and 2y square plus 8, and this is equal to dy over taking common y square from first two term, then we got y square plus 4, and also taking common 2 from the next two term, then we got y square plus 4, and therefore is equal to half dy by y square plus 4 and then y square plus 2. Okay, and now see here, look here, integral dy over y square plus 4 and y square plus 2 and 1 over 2, and y square plus 4, this is minus y square plus 2 and dy. The subtraction is 2, so it is 4 put it down, and 1 over 4, this over this means dy by y square plus 2, and also 1 by 4 dy by y square plus 4, and that is equal to 1 by 4. This is root 2 whole square, that is 1 by root 2 into tan inverse y by root 2 minus 1 by 4 and tan inverse y over 2 plus c. This is called integration constant. I am taking count 1 by 4. I think here is a silly mistake. This is 2. Taking count 1 by 4. Then you can write 1 by root 2 and tan inverse y over root 2, and that is there. Y means you are taking y is equal to x plus 5. So substitute here y in place of y in place, that is x plus 5 by over 2 and 1 by 2 tan inverse y same as x plus 5 over 2 and plus c. Okay, I think all of you better understood. Thank you.